Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you go ahead and get transcripts from YouTube Shorts. So these are the basically the scripts that are found on YouTube videos and shorts, so you can copy it. So to be able to navigate to that, you go ahead on your YouTube account and go over to Shorts here.
Do you know the most prolific?
So let's just mute that. So as you can see, we cannot do anything about it if they are in shorts format. So the trick here, guys, is to go ahead and change the shorts URL to watch from shorts to watch here. So let's go ahead and try that. So as you can see, it's converted to the normal YouTube, as you can see, design. So we need to actually install a extension from Google Chrome extension store. So you just have to go ahead and click on this one. So Glasp, this extension is called Glasp. So go over to the Chrome web store here and you will be navigated to this one. So you just have to search for, so for example, you are here for Glasp, and as you can see, you go ahead and go over to the YouTube summary extension, and then you can just go ahead and install, and it will look like this when installed. So you just have to click on that, and as you can see, it's now generated these transcripts for you. You just go ahead to copy it, and then you can copy and paste it to wherever you like. So okay guys, that is basically all for today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.